What's going on, people? There you have it. Tomei install. I got it with the Cobb Jpipe, with the Cobb Catted resonated Jpipe. So I had the Cobb Catted resonated Jpipe with the Tomei Catback. I just got done. I realized that control arm right there is kind of messed up, so I'm probably gonna have to replace my control arms. There is a bushing on there, right there, that is all broke. So I probably got to send my car to get alignment. I'm probably gonna have to replace them Godspeed control arms. So if you have them Godspeed control arms, they kind of whack. But yeah. It's not rubbing here on the bottom. I got a little space there, and I got some space on the top so it doesn't burn my cover. It sounds loud when I first started, but it's not like super duper, you know what I mean? Like that crazy loud. I got the Cobb Jpipe, I painted black. Yeah, there you go. Hold on, let me try to set up this phone so I can do like a little rep on it. Well, let me tell you, definitely hear the turbo more. So yeah, I have a strap that I'm gonna put in here. Where is it? I'm gonna show it to you. I got this right here. No fatties, car will scrape. I'm gonna get down and put that in here so it matches the color of the car with the silver and the black. So yeah, got a hole in there where you put it at. I'm not sure where is it, but it is in here somewhere. So I'm just gonna install this in here. I just need to get the bolt, cause I don't have a bolt for. I bought this, but it didn't came with the bolt, so I need to get the bolt. But yeah, that's the Tomei, bro. Go for it. Leave a like, subscribe. To the next one.